Why have cryptocurrency prices fallen? The price drops in cryptocurrencies can be linked to various factors. The holiday season is one factor that could have played a role. Many consumers had to spend money on things like gifts, plane tickets, and other expenses during the holiday season. Another reason for the crypto crash could be the wide expectation that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates for 2022. Recently, the country of Kazakhstan had its internet shut down. Will the crypto crash end soon? No one knows if this crash will end soon, but there's one bright spot that could be signaling a huge price reversal. The last time crypto prices were this low, many tokens reached record highs. Currently, Bitcoin has a price of around $41,400, which is the lowest it has been since September 2021. When BTC dropped to $40,000 in September, it went on a steady bull run for over a month and increased by over 65%. So, if history repeats itself, the significant support areas these crypto prices are getting close to could spark a major trend reversal.